Hey, my name is Namgumpibo. I'm from Nagaland, and well, art has always been something which I always enjoyed doing, and yeah, I always had a passion for. And yeah, I was doing my BTech for the past 4 years over here in Hyderabad, and a couple of years into my BTech, I got into gaming, and yeah, kind of fell in love with it and couldn't really get away from it. And so as soon as I found out that there's an institute which provides both gaming and art together, like where I can do the things that I love at the same time. So yeah, right after I finished my BTech, I without any hesitation, I just came here. All I would say, this is a place where you get to hang out, have fun, just chill, while at the same time learn and do your works there, because I have found the faculties here very patient and always very keen to teach us what we have to learn, and always ready to just come whenever we approach them, always ready to help us out, and yeah, they're actually very helpful. Oh yeah, actually I don't know much history about this college, but right now, seeing whoever seniors are here now, I think we have a very good scope in this industry. And yeah, back home it was actually something kind of a surprise for them, because I finished my whole BTech and my whole engineering thing, and then all of a sudden I just wanted to come into the gaming industry, and gaming is something very unconventional right now, so you're a little hesitant about it, but assuring them that I truly have a passion for it, and then I would give my best to be successful in this field. So yeah, I think they weren't very hard to convince actually. Yeah.